Hello, to this video I'm gonna make grilled chicken in the pan. Here I have whole chicken parts already washed, and I have 2 medium-sized squeezed lemon, 7 cloves sliced garlic, and I have soy sauce, black pepper, garlic powder, salt, and olive oil. Now let's get started. Now I have here my cooking pan. Put the washed chicken inside and make a little bit of hole in the chicken. I make them a hole one by one so that it will absorb the ingredients we want to put in later on. Now I need to slice the chicken breast. This. Teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of garlic. Half spoon of black bell pepper, a big tablespoon of soy sauce, two tablespoons of olive oil, and our lemon. And let's mix it. Now it's done. Let's put it on electricity and turn it on and put it on medium heat. Let's check after 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's turn it on the other side. Every 10 minutes, turn it on the other side to avoid burning. Let's check. Now as you can see, it's getting dry. So now let's put our garlic, sliced garlic. Cover them and wait for another 10 minutes again. Let's check after 10 minutes. Turn on the other side. Cover and leave for another 10 minutes more until the sauce is totally dry. And after 10 minutes, let's check it. Smells good. The sauce is totally dry. Already done. Turn it off. Our grilled chicken in the pan is already done. Our grilled chicken is ready to serve. Let's put it in a serving plate. This is our grilled chicken in the pan. Hope you like for today's video. Till next time.